Making our way. Slowly but surely. Making our way.
I mean, the upside is if we got stuck in here, we could eat blackberries until we die.
Oh yeah, there's plenty of blackberry vines all around here.
What was that?
Probably a critter.
Oh, yeah, it was what?
Probably a kitty cat. We'll just hope it's a kitty cat, right?
Yeah.
Could be a black bear.
I mean, it could be. You did say they like blackberries.
Alright.
We seem to have a problem here.
What is it?
We seem to have a problem here. We run out of,
Oh,
the
yeah.
track go bye-bye.
Well, let's go down.
I guess this is what this trail's for. Oh boy.
Let's take your time.
What's that?
Honestly, it looks like an itty bitty geode.
Oh wow,
But I could be wrong. Might just be a rock.
We'll find out.
So, this is what we have run into. Luckily, there's a way around.
Yeah. The trail seems to have ended there. Well.
Well, good thing we have a way around. Nope. We're going that way.
Okay. I'm following you. Maybe I'm not following you.
Let me step on that. Hold on, I was going to say, let me step on that to get it down. There you go.
Oh, wow.
See? Let me step on it to hold it down for you. Go ahead. There you go.
Oh my goodness. What the fuck? What? Put on a hat. Oh, look at that tree. It's pretty.
Here, hold that. So I can get down.
Get down on it. Get down on it. So better at this than I am.
Not quite, though.
Oh, you can step on that little board. Right on.
Yeah, you can step on the little board right here. I'll give you my hand. Here. Slick.
They're gonna record me busting my booty.
No, I'm not. Just take your time.
That's slippery.
I know, that's what I said. Just take your time. And there you go. Now step on that board. There you go. You got it?
Maybe. Not.
There you go.
Okay.
Well, that was fun.
Alright.
A lot safer than that.
I mean, what is this? A beaver dam?
But yeah, so there's the track. That was fun. Luckily.
Now we gotta climb up this hill.
Ouch. Yes, we do, babe. Made it up the hill. Come over here and show you guys closer what we mean by we lost the track. Hey, Dale. Don't know when you got here, but right up there, Dale. All right, you ready to check on? Let me hold it.
More down this way, if you don't mind. Watch that bubble. I'm I'm too old for this shit. Oh, sorry about the S word.
Oh, stop. Excuse me.
Don't want the mystic gods of the YouTube.
Go ahead, you're fine.
I have to let go of it. Oh my goodness. Okie dokie. Your turn, babe. I got it pretty taut down with that arm that's on the fence. There you go. Clear. And good. Whew. Made it, we made it. Sketchy. Sketchy, sketchy.
So that was fun.
Hey there, Parabuds.
How's it going?
You would not believe what we have done.
So we heard of a old railroad tunnel in Loleta, which is right there by Eureka. So we took a little drive
And it took a long hike.
took probably, I'd say, what, a mile, probably 2 miles, probably a 2-mile hike down the old railroad track, and we have finally found the tunnel. So
Down the old railroad track.
yeah, it was definitely a hike. I mean, there was a couple spots we had to kind of crawl and whatnot, but we wanted to share with you guys. I know we haven't done any videos yesterday because I was tattooing yesterday and we just busy, visiting and whatnot.
It happens.
So we got out here today and we thought we'd find this old tunnel and see if there's anything spooky about it. I mean, it's a tunnel, so it's spooky enough as it is for me.
But surprisingly enough, after this long journey, which you wouldn't want to know what we've had to go through, there's poopy back there. Large
Cow dung.
poopies. But we found it.
Yep. So let me switch this around. So, all right. So it was, since we couldn't go live because we had no service, we had to do it recording. So I had to stop the video to flip it back around. So here we are. We have found it. So we're going to walk that way. Walk this way.
Walk this way.
And see what this tunnel's all about. We've lost the railroad tracks. They went under. So they're under us right now.
Somewhere 80 feet.
So let's see what is down here. I have it. Looks like blocked off. That's cool looking.
That is cool. The pictures they have online don't look anything like this.
They really don't.
Oh, I feel like cold
But you can feel it.
Oh, don't step in that.
I didn't.
Okay. Look at graffiti. And the moss.
Oh. Okay, yeah, they do. As we get closer, it looks like the pictures. Oh, look, we found the railroad tracks again.
Yeah, under all the
Just be careful, baby. It's muddy.
mud and muck.
All right, let's go on this side. We got some good graffiti in here. We got some decent graffiti in here. What? Need help?
I'm laughing at the squishy sounds what you were making. Oh, wow.
Some awesome graffiti.
Guess what I brought?
What'd you bring? I gotta admit, I'm kind of sketched out. I don't like tunnels, you know that, of any sort. Of any sort.
I got the flashlight.
At least I can see the end down there.
Just remember, the end of the tunnel. Or the light at the end of the tunnel, maybe you.
Look at all the mushrooms. Oh, mushrooms growing. All the mushrooms growing all along. Yeah, look over here.
Holy crap, they're everywhere.
Wow, this is crazy.
You alright?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is pretty awesome.
So the highway's under us, yeah?
So the highway's above us. Yeah, the highway is going above us right now. This is going through the mountain pretty much, through underneath the highway. This railroad track of what I was reading. Here, let me flip this back around. And we're back.
I'm
So-
looking up the railroad stuff. real
Well,
quick.
what I was reading was that the railroad track was actually in function and being used for 114, 115 years. This area, I mean, it's the West Coast. There was a lot of sawmills, a lot of mills over this area. And so the railroad tracks were very prominent during that time, obviously.
I can't look it up, no service.
So we're just going off of memory of what we read then. So, yeah.
So yeah, the tracks came
It's-
through here.
It's called the Loleta train tunnel. And like I said, it was in function for over 100 years. I believe it was 114 years.
Pretty sure that was.
And it was part of, I believe, the Carson Mansion. The owner, the original Mr. Carson, was actually part of building this tunnel and this railroad tracks. So, yeah, it's pretty interesting.
And you can actually look up the Carson Mansion or
Did you bring the spirit box?
or I can show you the Carson Mansion.
Stop moving it. I got this.
That's the Carson Mansion. And across the street from the Carson Mansion
Here's the pink lady.
is the Pink Lady, which Mr. Carson had built for his son as a wedding present. Must be nice. I liked it too.
Did you hear that?
I heard me clinking.
No.
You hear it, Chef? And yes, I did bring all the goodies.
Hello? Hello? What would you do if somebody answered?
I'd be like, saw dude.
We're just exploring.
We're looking for spookies. Wanna run the spirit box?
Sure.
Lucky there, it says power. I'm gonna need your assistance. My glasses are a wee bit
Plugging them.
foggy. Here, I'll take that. It's been a while.
Tell me you didn't hear that.
I did hear that.
Do you have batteries in this thing?
Well, I don't know.
Why isn't it coming on?
And the other time it plays by itself.
Hello. Did the batteries go dead on it
That's a possibility.
while we were traveling?
Could have got too cold.
There's some creepy noises in here. I'm already like,
I can see if my Apple works.
so maybe the necrophonics will work. This is completely dead.
That's
We're gonna have
weird.
to get battery support apparently.
Well, that's one thing I didn't look at on that list of stuff. Paranormal. I don't need no updates, I just need you to work. Anybody in here with us?
See, we're not even that far in here yet, but it's enough for me. Now you pulled up the audios on necrophonics.
It's one of those apps those kids on YouTube use.
So any old railroad workers?
Julia.
Julia.
Julia, what's your last name?
Are you stuck here, Julia?
Suffered.
Suffered. Did you fall off the train?
Did something happen to you here? It's okay to tell us.
We're just here to communicate with you.
Maybe be able to help you.
Maybe get a little history of this tunnel, this train track.
Blind.
Were you in an accident? That caused you to go blind? Is there anyone else here besides Julia?
This device in her hand, you can use it to communicate with us. If you speak through it, we'll be able to hear you. I know back in your day, you probably didn't see anything like what we have in our hand.
The church.
The church.
Julia, what did the church do to cause the suffering? I know, I keep hearing sounds down there.
Sounds like somebody's walking to me.
Julia, are you coming closer to us?
Thank you.
You're welcome. I know you're probably lonely. Sometimes it's nice just to have somebody to talk to. Can you tell us what the church did?
Daughter.
Did they do something to your daughter?
Or were you the daughter? If you were the daughter, can you say I was?
Or if Julia was your daughter, could you tell me your name? Or your daughter's name?
I died.
Did you die in here? Or were you brought here? Did you die here? Say yes. Sorry, I keep asking multiple questions. Can you tell us how you died?
Audrey.
Is Audrey your daughter's name? Did the church take her?
Dad.
Dad.
Your dad took her? Is Audrey here?
Charles.
Try the necrophonics.
Okay.
I wonder if her dad's name is Charles.
I don't have necrophonics on my phone. I think you have it on your phone.
Oh, well. Pull up the SOS.
I did. If there's anyone in here, you can walk up towards us. We're not here to harm you. Sorry.
Well,
Not catching anything on this.
Sister.
That was weird. It said sister and then also put up Nellie. Was Nellie your sister? Because it said sister, it didn't even put it on there. But it says Nellie right there.
I see that. Alright, so I'm going to stop this. I'm going to have her pick up video on her phone. I'm going to pull the necrophonics out real quick. So, we will be right back. Alright guys, well people started showing up, so we're going to get out of here just because, you know us, we rather hang out with ghosts than people. So, we're going to head out and go get back to our pups. We made it, though, to the tunnel. And, to check back, I'll keep you guys on for just a minute so you can see kind of what we're going through. But, it was fun. It was nice little trek, you know. Get us some exercise out there. We'll watch the videos over and see if maybe we caught any disembodied voices or anything like that. I'm still kind of iffy on, you know, the phone app thingies. So,
we will double check and see if there's any significance and relevance to those names.
Yeah, we'll double check. We'll look into the research and see what we can find. You right there, babe? Look at your shoes. Full of mud.
Poopy! Poopy mud.
But
Now the fun trek back.
now I know we haven't really gotten into too much spooky stuff since we started the trip just yet. We've been kind of just making our way and getting to our destinations.
But there will
But-
definitely be more coming.
Well, yeah, there's definitely more coming. We've actually been talking to the locals, figuring some things out. We've looked into some things that we want to check out, which is exactly why we came up here. So, we love you guys. And we'll let you know where our next destination is and what kind of spooky stuff we can get into. So, be safe, pair of buds. We love you.
Have a great day, pair of buds.